Let's start how to sign up an app and verify it with a virtual phone number via PVAPins. Look at the phone screen first. In this field you have to enter a phone number. Now return to PVAPins and search here any country. Select the country, search here your app which you want to verify. You will see some available number with purchase cost. Select any number and wait a little bit. You will get a number. Take this number and enter it for verification. A verification code will be shown here automatically, or you can click the refresh button. Take this code and finish the verification procedure. Thank you for using PVAPins.